Hello there, this is Mr. Neary with a quick little demonstration video for how to oil the valves on your Baritone or your Euphonium. First thing that you will need to do is to unscrew the valve that you want to oil. It's normally best to oil all the valves, but only oil each valve one at a time so you don't get them in the wrong order. Is you unscrew the top of the valve at this milled point here, not this bit, but that point there. Unscrew it anti-clockwise. And once it's fully unscrewed, you should be able to, the valve should pop up like that. If it doesn't pop up, you should just be able to lift it out of its casing, like so. The next thing that you'll need to do is take a soft cloth or a piece of kitchen towel and just give the valve a little clean. If there's any dirt on it, come off. You can see that this valve's actually quite clean. Just so the valve's ready for you to put some more oil on it. Now, this is valve oil. You can order it online. This is Holton valve oil. You can buy it online from Amazon or anywhere else, but if you haven't got that, a small amount of water will work just as well. And when you put the oil on the valve, what you want to do is put it just lightly, so it's just coating the outside, not in the holes. That won't do any good at all, but just only a few drops should be more. Once you've done that, you can then carefully place the valve back in the casing and just let it gently move up and down just to help spread the oil about. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is to make sure that this part here, the valve guide, you can see on this instrument here, it's got a plastic valve guide. Some instruments have metal valve guides, it makes no difference. That needs to line up, and I don't know if you can see in here, with a little channel that's inside the valve. If I turn the instrument, you should see. And it'll only go in once that valve guide is lined up with the channel. What that then does is it means that the holes inside the valve line up with the pipes here. Once that's in the right place, you should be able to feel that the valve moves up and down nicely. You can then gently screw the valve back down again, being careful not to cross thread the valve. You don't have to over tighten it, just tighten it just as much until it stops clicking, like that, and that's your valve oiled. And then you can then go on and do all the other valves. I hope that's helpful.